Hello and welcome. Today, we are diving into one of the biggest changes the internet has ever gone through, the rise of AI search. Look, if your business relies on people finding you online, then this right here is probably the most important explainer you're going to see all year.
Okay, let's just jump right in with a number that should really get your attention, 40%. Right now, a full 40% of all search traffic is shifting over to AI assistants. Things like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google's own AI overviews. This isn't some trend that's 5 years away. It is happening right now, as we speak.
So, for most businesses, this is a huge risk. If these AI models can't properly read your website or understand what your brand is all about, you are, for all intents and purposes, invisible to this massive growing slice of your audience. But, and this is the exciting part, for anyone who adapts, this is a wide open opportunity to leapfrog the competition.
So, we've laid this explainer out to be your complete guide. We're going to start by understanding how AI is changing the customer. Then we'll get into the new rules of the game. And we'll finish up with a clear, actionable playbook so you can go out and dominate this new world of search.
You see, what's so fascinating here isn't just the tech itself. It's how that tech is fundamentally changing the person who's searching. It's creating a customer who is more decisive, better informed, and, as it turns out, a whole lot more valuable. And this slide just says it all, doesn't it? Recent studies are showing that a customer who comes to you from an AI recommendation is worth 4.4 times more than a standard click from Google. So why is that? Well, it's because they arrive with a huge amount of trust already baked in. The AI has basically done all the homework for them and said, hey, this is the best solution for what you need. The whole journey a buyer takes is getting squeezed down from this long, drawn-out investigation into a quick, direct conversation. Think about it. Instead of spending hours digging through pages of search results, people are now just asking what they want and getting a short, curated list of the best options. It takes them from problem to purchase almost instantly. Okay, so now that we get how the customer is changing, let's talk about how our strategies need to change too. The old playbook of SEO just isn't going to cut it anymore. We're stepping into a new era of what's being called Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO.
Now, first things first, let's be super clear about this. Everything you know about good, solid SEO, things like site speed, a clean site structure, quality content, that's not just still relevant, it's actually more critical than ever. Think of GEO as an evolution. It's a new layer you have to build on top of a strong SEO foundation. So the biggest shift is moving from optimizing for keywords to optimizing for concepts. SEO is all about telling a search engine what your page was about. GEO, on the other hand, is about teaching a generative engine what your brand is and who it's for. You do that by building this whole web of conversational context and mentions all across the internet.
And the absolute key to all of this is becoming what's called a verified entity. The best way to think about this is like it's your business's digital passport. It's a unique ID that machines can instantly read, and it links your brand name to a consistent set of facts: your address, your services, your reputation, no matter where you pop up online. So how do you actually get your website to speak this new language of AI? Well, it all starts with the foundation you build on your own turf. You've got to make sure your digital storefront is wide open and easy to understand for this new wave of AI crawlers. This might actually shock you, but a huge number of modern websites, especially the ones built with a lot of heavy JavaScript, look like completely blank pages to an AI crawler. Seriously. They see the raw HTML, and if your content only loads after the page does, well, they see nothing. You're completely invisible. These technical basics, they're absolutely non-negotiable. Using the right H1 tags for your headlines, paragraph tags for your text, and alt text for your images, it gives AI a clear skeleton to understand your content structure. And structured data, or schema, that's like giving the AI a cheat sheet, telling it exactly what your content is about. And when you get to the content itself, clarity is king. Ahrefs run this incredible experiment that proved it. They took some existing articles, they used AI to make the language simpler and more direct, and bam, they won top rankings and featured snippets. The big takeaway here? AI loves it when you just get straight to the point. So your content strategy really needs to pivot. You have to stop targeting those broad, informational questions that AI can just answer on its own. Instead, you need to laser focus on answering specific, purchase-oriented questions. You've got to prove your experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust, what we call EEA key, by writing like a real human and putting your answers in formats that an AI can easily grab and repeat.
Now check this out. What's so powerful about a simple, structured table like this one is that it becomes a goldmine for AI. So when a user asks, who's the best provider that has 24/7 support? The AI can instantly scan this table, see that check mark right next to your name, and confidently recommend you. It's that simple. You can literally train the AI to recommend you by creating these specific pieces of content. I like to think of them as AI food. Each piece is designed to be the perfect bite-sized answer to a very specific buyer intent question, which makes it incredibly easy for the AI to just grab it and serve it up to a user. All right, so you've got your on-site strategy totally dialed in. Now it's time to look at what's happening off your website. A readable site is the foundation, sure, but building authority and trust across the entire internet is what will really make you stand out to AI. According to this massive study from Ahrefs that looked at 75,000 brands, this is it. The single most important factor for ranking in AI search, the thing with the strongest link to visibility, is simply branded mentions. It's more important than backlinks, more important than your domain rating, more important than anything else. So the goal is pretty simple, but it does take effort. Your brand name needs to show up everywhere your customers are, and in a positive, relevant way. This goes from syncing your basic directory listings all the way to proactively pitching yourself to be included in best of lists. Every single mention reinforces your entity and teaches the AI who you are. And this slide right here is why you have to diversify. Different AI engines have totally different appetites. Google's AI overviews, for example, love to feast on community sites like Reddit and Quora. ChatGPT prefers the big, well-established publishers. And Perplexity often snacks on smaller niche blogs. So to be truly visible, you have to spread your brand across the entire digital buffet. Okay, so you've put in all this work on-site and off-site, but how do you actually know if it's paying off? The old metrics don't really fit this new world, so you need a new way to track what success looks like. See, in the world of AI search, a lot of users get their answer right there in the chat window and they never even click a link. That's why tracking clicks is becoming less and less reliable. The new key performance indicator, the new KPI, is how often and in what context AI models are mentioning your brand by name. The data also shows us a really powerful signal: freshness. AI assistants have a strong preference for newer information. On average, the content cited by an AI is over 25% fresher than the content that shows up in traditional search. This means that just regularly updating your key pages is a huge lever you can pull. And here is the perfect proof of just how powerful small, focused updates can be. In this Ahrefs case study, they made some minor edits to improve clarity and then simply changed the last updated date. And the result? They won multiple top rankings and got over 10,000 new monthly visits. It's proof that freshness and clarity work. We have covered a tremendous amount of ground here, from the nitty-gritty technical details of your website all the way to your broad off-site strategy. So let's just boil all of this down into the most critical, high-impact moves you can make right now to secure your spot. These three pillars, they are the key to succeeding in this new era of search. Number one, becoming a verified entity establishes who you are. Number two, an AI-readable website provides all the core information. And number three, getting mentioned everywhere builds the trust and authority that makes an AI confident in recommending you. This is not something you can just add to next year's marketing plan. The foundational work for the next version of the internet is happening right now. Every single day you wait, your competitors are out there building their entity and training the AI, making that gap between the visible and the invisible even wider. The shift is here, and it is moving fast. This is one of those rare moments where you can get a huge, lasting advantage just by being one of the first to act. So, the only real question left is, what are you going to do to make sure your business is part of the conversation?